The National Assembly is expected to pass the Pakistan Army Amendment Bill 2020 on Saturday. The bill, which was tabled by Defence Minister Pervez Khattak on Friday, can only become a part of the constitution if two-thirds members of both the Senate and National Assembly vote in its favour. The PML-N has extended its support, while the PPP raised some reservations, following which it was sent to the Standing Committee on Defence for review. If the law is passed, it will allow Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa to complete his second term in office. Here's what the new law proposes. The previous law had not set any retirement age limit for the Army, Naval and Air Force chiefs as well as the chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee. Now, it has been set at 64 years. Any person who is older will not be allowed to hold the post. It also allows the President to reappoint or extend the tenure of all chiefs and chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee on the PM's advice. The bill states that the exercise of discretion by the appointing authority, in this regard, will not be questioned by any court on any ground whatsoever. If the law is passed, then it will be deemed to have taken effect on November 27, 2019 and not on the day it is passed. Prime Minister Imran Khan had appointed the current COAS for another term of 3 years on August 19, 2019. The President then granted him the extension. The extension was then challenged on the grounds that it is offensive to Article 243(4)(b) of the Constitution. The case was initially filed by the Jurists Foundation, but after it asked to withdraw the case, the Supreme Court decided to take it up itself. During the hearing, the court explored the scope of Article 243 of the Constitution, and the Pakistan Army Act, 1952. The court on November 28 extended Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa's tenure by 6 months, till May, and ordered the government to make a law regulating such appointments. The detailed verdict was released on December 16. Shocking revelations. The Supreme Court, in its detailed judgment, expressed its shock that Pakistan does not have any law to regulate the terms and conditions of service, including extension and reappointment, of the Army Chief. It has been a shocking revelation to us, reads the 39-page judgment authored by Justice Mansoor Ali Shah. The history of our Army has seen successive appointments, retirements and extensions of several Army chiefs since independence. However, for the first time, the matter has come to the highest court of the land, questioning the legal framework under which these appointments, retirements and extensions take place, the judgment says. The verdict pointed out that the stated purpose for the proposed reappointment, extension in the term of office of the incumbent Chief of the Army Staff is regional security environment. The said words are quite vague and, if at all there is any regional security threat, then it is the gallant armed forces of the country as an institution which are to meet the said threat, and an individual's role in that regard may be minimal. If the said reason is held to be correct and valid, then every person serving in the armed forces would claim reappointment, extension in his service on the basis of the said reason. It noted that the terms of service of the rank of general regulate the tenure and other terms of service, except salary and allowances, of the post of the COAS. The salary and allowances of the Army Chief will be determined by the President under Clause 4 of Article 243 of the Constitution, the court said. The verdict even says that no age of retirement for the rank of general is provided under the law. The law only decides the tenure.